Hi, Happy New Year everyone. This is the first video of 2026 in my YouTube. I don't know, I've been slacking a lot on YouTube lately because the views are just devastating to see, because you put a lot of effort in taking a video but then your views are dropping a lot. So I just keep the ball rolling lah basically. So let's see how this year goes. And yeah, a brand new product. I mean, it's not really a brand new product. It's the Infinity Alpha, okay, but it's the version 2, proper version 2, because the previous one was a facelift and this is a version 2, like an upgraded version. Why upgraded version? Because look at the specs, man. Look at the specs. It's like 90 watt RMS for this component set, okay, which is a huge jump from, I believe it's 50 previously. I'm not too sure. Let's see. I believe it's 50. I really do believe it's 50. So this is the previous one. Yeah, that's 45 watt RMS. That's like a massive fucking jump. All right, it's double the power now. Okay, it can handle double the power like how it was before, right? So let's see what else they have here. Frequency response is pretty much the same. It's proper 4 ohms. Okay, and I can't see the sensitivity. Oh, there we have it. Now the sensitivity is about 90 decibel. Okay, 90 watt RMS, nothing much to see here lah. And it's pretty good. Like, I am really anticipated to see what this thing can perform. Okay, unboxing this, pretty straightforward, but I kind of missed the polystyrene kind of this one, but now it's just cardboard. I guess they are just going to save the environment by saving, I don't know, whatever lah. Alright, now, okay, right off the box, right, I'm quite disappointed in one thing. Okay, there's always a plus. So the plus now is, look at the crossover. This is freaking slick. Okay, this is amazing. It's small, it's easy to install, everything is provided, but I don't think, it's not like the gas where they gave you extended wires and all that. But this one you still have to extend the wires. Okay, so this is the tweeters, significantly smaller than what it used to be, you know. So I'm curious how it's going to sound. That's the tweeters, and that's the mid bass. It looks pretty much the same from before. Nothing changed, just, I don't know, the color of the cone and the logo. That's about it. And of course power handling, which I don't know, the design looks the same, so I don't know how they increase the power. The magnet size, dumb fucks. The magnet size looks the same. Okay, and this is the coaxial. Okay, coaxial looks nice and soft, meaning it's very sensitive. You don't need much power. Of course, it's 90 plus decibel. It should be soft. Okay. Right, so here comes down to my problem. I don't get any tweeter accessories. This is all I get. Okay, which is like, why would you not give a proper tweeter accessories? Like, you know, all I get is this. Is that all? Like that? Like what? This is good for a pillar mounting if you're doing a custom pillar, but technically speaking, I mean, realistically speaking, how often people will go from alpha and they will jump to a 3-way? Like, it's, I don't know. I really don't know. But this is a bit bummer for me lah, personally, because many other products out there, which is significantly cheaper than this, they will provide you a lot of tweeter accessories like housing and all that. Like, we need that as an installer. We need because that. You know, not many cars, you know, have this type of mounting surfaces. So I don't know, I'm just a bit confused with that. But overall, this is the new Infinity Alpha. Price is about, I'm not sure, they haven't announced the price yet, but I will link down in the description or anything like that. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys for tuning in and Happy New Year. See you guys in the next one.